Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a long overdue Curlbox unboxing. I have not unboxed the Curlbox in months and I just got it in the mail yesterday. So I was like, let me hurry up and film for tomorrow's video. So that's what we're doing today. So if you want to see what's in my February's Curlbox, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. Alright guys, like I said, I got this in the mail yesterday and I used to do these religiously every month, but I kind of got away from doing them just because I just stopped doing them. So I wanted to incorporate this back into my channel. So if you don't know what Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you get natural hair products shipped to your door every month for $20 and a $5 shipping fee, so a total of $25 per month. I am enrolled in Curlbox and I am enrolled in BoxyCharm. I used to be enrolled in Curl Kit, but I did stop that maybe 2 years ago when I made a comparison video and everything about it, but I'm still getting my Curlbox and I love it every single month. So like I said, this is the Curlbox. It used to be in the black and gold box, but now it's in the pink box and this is how it's been. I did already open it, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. It comes with the tissue paper like always. Comes with a pamphlet of every month with the breakdown of what's in the box here. And this month we ended up getting some Cream of Nature products. So I'm going to go by one of what product is and tell you my thoughts. Alright, so the first thing we got in the box is the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo. This is supposed to condition. It's a conditioning aloe, Jamaican black castor oil infused, vitamin infused, no sulfates, petroleum, silicones, mineral oils, all that good stuff. When I first opened the box, I was like, oh, we got this again? Because we got this a couple months ago. And it was the anti-breakage, I think, line. It's the same type of bottle, but it's a different line. So they kept the same packaging. They changed the colors of everything, but this is what it looks like. And we also got the Healthy, it's the same line, but this is the hair mask. So you got the shampoo and the hair mask, which I will be giving these a try probably today, since today's wash day. You also got a reconstructing anti-breakage leave-in conditioner. So this is a spray leave-in conditioner. It looks like very thick to be a spray. If you guys can see, it looks kind of like a thick consistency. And the smell doesn't have a strong smell, so I can't say what it smells like, which is I guess a good thing. But this is the leave-in. And you also got the Root Recharge Serum. This again is the same thing. This is for weak, damaged, and thin hair. This is something that you apply to your roots. Apply a few drops directly on the scalp and massage by simply rubbing the fingertips in gentle circular motion. So I guess it's supposed to restore broke, thin hair, weak, damaged, thin hair, I'm sorry. So that's what you got in the box. And then you also got the Strengthening Protein Treatment. I am super excited about this because the only protein treatment that I usually use is by F.A.Q, which I swear by F.A.Q. I love that protein treatment. And I have some deep conditioner protein treatments as well. So I'm always looking for something that with protein in it because my hair is high porosity, so I do need protein to balance that out. So I do look for this, and I'm gonna give this a try. I hope this is enough. You know, this is just a sample pack, so I'm not sure this is gonna be enough, but we'll see what it does, how it is. I don't know if it's supposed to harden like the other one. I don't know. I may do a review on this. If you guys want to see a review just on this shampoo stuff, there's no stylers in this line, or that was in this Curlbox. So I don't know if they have stylers in this line, but we didn't receive them in the Curlbox this month. But if you guys want to see a review on this, I'll be more than happy to film it for you guys. I'm kind of running out of ideas, so and new products. So this is new, and I want to try it out, but I only want to film it if you want to watch it. So y'all let me know. I love Cream of Nature products. I have a couple of lines that I like by Cream of Nature. There's one that I got in my Curlbox that I swear by. I love it. It was a styler. I love it. So I'm excited to try these out. But like I said, if you guys want to see it, comment down below. Just say yes, and I know that you watched the video to the end, and I know what the yes means. So, alright guys, that's pretty much it for this month's Curlbox unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah! Bye! Don't touch my hair.